Basilan.
In contrast, Basilan already with 46 points here in the second half. Arwin Santos, easy too. I like what I'm seeing for Patrick Ramos, but this is not going to be enough here for Muntinlupa.
Yeah, it's always about other guys stepping up for the Cagers. Iba't iba mga players ang actually umaangat sa kanila sa bawat laro, pero halos yung mga katulong yun yung kailangan talaga nila eh.
Kurt Lohera takes it in by himself. 13-point lead. Muntinlupa just going through the motions now. Foul on Flores, whose production has also dipped here dito sa slump ng Muntinlupa.
Yes, pretty much.
Fast break of the game is brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme Magpalamig. Free installation for split-type air conditioners.
And that time, Patrick Ramos able to circle around every defender na nakaharap niya.
Napa sa penalty ang Muntinlupa. It's 90-77. Lorenzo Navarro. Did not convert on the layup. He gets his own miss. And he finishes that one. There. Ewan Calo. Sabi nila, taas na ito ng ni Lorenzo Navarro doon para sa offensive rebound.
Lorenzo Navarro right there.
Totoo naman eh. Oh. Muntik nang umabot sa board eh.
Napwestuhan lang na maayos.
92-77. We have a timeout here. We'll be right back. Coach Pedic Matulak and the rest of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns are seeing action in a while. Makakalaban nila ang Parañaque Patriots dito sa Paco Arena.
Yep, and it's an opportunity for Pampanga to try and secure their spot dito sa Norte kasi matibay pa rin yung labanan para doon sa number 4 spot. 4 teams actually going at it, Pampanga being one of them.
Nohera is fouled.
And yun, isa na yan sa mga bagay that they took away from Kurt Lohera, that drive going the left side of the floor. Especially when he starts it either from the top or dun sa kanang side ng sahig. Naglalagay na agad sila ng tao na nakadisrupt dun sa space na yun for Kurt Lohera. And the struggle from the free throws has not really helped. Especially this latter part of the game when they really needed those points.
92-78, John Mahari. Labas kay Navarro. No, lahat ng player, nilusutan ng pasa na yun.
Turnover, kaya bola ngayon para dito sa Cagers.
Coach Rich Alvarez, I'm sure he's satisfied with the way his team performed today. It took a while for them to get going, particularly on the defensive end.
Doon sa simula nung game, parang first 5 minutes yata, tumawag agad ng early timeout ito si Coach Rich. Dahil hindi maganda yung kanilang shooting, ang ganda ng 3-point shooting ng Muntinlupa. Mas maraming attempts ng Muntinlupa, pero inunti-unti nila with a lot of efficiencies on their end of the floor, able to force a lot of turnovers for the Cagers, which right now in the second half, ang total of 9 turnovers na already ang na-force dito sa Cagers.
Nohera sinks the free throw, but too little, too late here.
Yung hindi talaga asikaso na maayos dun sa bola. Naging challenge dito sa Cagers.
Yun nga, no?
Halos 17 yung pinamigay nilang puntos of those turnovers. After giving away just 7 points of turnovers. Just a good comeback.
And looks like Enzo will dribble this one out. And Basilan completes the comeback, the turnaround after a struggle defensively, giving up 50 points in that first half. Just turning it up a notch in the last two periods, holding